How to draw an X in a box without lifting up the pen. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, so if you're trying to figure out this puzzle, let's go ahead and do it together. Let's make one backward L-like shape on the right side of the page. We've got to be very careful when we do this to make our lines straight, because if they're not straight, it can throw off our entire drawing. And if I go too fast, feel free to pause the video. We're going to go up and connect all the way to where we first started. Fantastic! Now we're going to go straight across with a diagonal line. We're not going to lift up our pen at all. From this point, we're going to go over the line that we previously drew, and we're going to bolden it and connect to the other side. From here, we're going to make our last line of the X in the box. This is how to draw an X in a box. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.